Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Crypto King Portal. Crypto King Portal provide you all information about cryptocurrency, NFT gaming project, crypto project, mining project and token project.
Exchange called Nevex Exchange, so you guys can see a trade next level with Nevex. Join millions of users on the next generation of trading. So first of all, the first option is you guys can see the exchange, their AI strategy, their markets, their spot, their features and many more. So first of all, you guys can see how to register your account. First of all, this is just a simple click on register option, and then here is you guys can see you guys can register from your mobile number, also from email. So just select one of these option and then put your mobile number or email and then put your password. Code is optional, and then register. So you guys also you guys can register your account from this way. So first of all, after the registration, go to the main website. You guys can see $200 million dollars 24 of the trading volume. This is huge, and also 81,000 registered users are active in this exchange Nevex. So 28% plus annual financial management. So you can see their detail. First of all, their contract trading, multiple contract play of method. Choose from your 100 trading spots. Banners and professionals are both friendly. AI strategy, AI quantitative trading strategy and spot investment strategy, professional AI strategy, parameter spot and customization. So finance, about the finance, hold coin to earn money and earn income. Search for popular cryptocurrencies, start earning profits and intents. So institutional signal, multiple air conditions, compartments follow signal mode. So first of all, market condition. What the market conditions right now in Nevex Exchange? So you guys see Ethereum. So here is the website. So here is the market trading volume. You can see BTC, Ethereum. So you can see the BTC price here. You can see Ethereum, BNB and Sol. Every single you guys you can see here is the BTC. So here is their point. So right now BTC is on 1,18,289 around their price. So here is their paragraph. So you guys can check any of your cryptocurrency tokens like BNB, Sol, Dogecoin, USDT, or any you want to buy. Here is every single token they launch on daily basis on this exchange. So here is how you can guys download this app. Just click on download options. You guys can scan and also go to the App Store or Google Play, Test Flight, Android, Apple, ENT and SIG to download this. If you have Play Store, go to Play Store and install this Nevex app in your mobile phone or your PC or any of your laptop. So and then here is frequently asked question. You can see their question. Also you guys can see their social media like X, Telegram and Facebook. Let's talk about their X and Nevex officials account on X. So trade next level. You can see their official website. So here you can see 44 following and 449.5k their followers. So first of all, here is Nevex. They are meeting in a city called Multan in Pakistan, and unforgettable Nevex official gathering during the Nevex event in Pakistan. We witnessed the passion of the community and felt the true power of crypto belief. Nevex is acceleration is global expansions through a series of the ground events. So you can see they are meeting in Shangri-La and Multan. So you can see also construction constructions and exchange logic in 2025, why NX.1 represent the next generation model. So next officials BTC smashed through 120k. The bull market roars louder than ever. AI at Nevex, we are ready. Are you ready? So you can see their Bitcoin hit this price. So here is every single detail and every single announcement on a daily basis you guys can get in their X account. So after the registration, you guys can see their details. So first of all, here is the detail. Here is exchange market. You guys can see their market conditions right now: BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Sol, Dogecoin, USDC, PPT, and other. So every single token is here. You guys can check their price, their market cap, and every single thing. So if you want spot trading, here is spot trading. Just register your account and then get your amount and then go to buy or sell. It's depend on you. So here is BTC trading on spot. Here is future as well. You guys can future trade. Also copy trade is also available, so you can go for the copy trade is also here. So next you can buy crypto, borrowing, NX card, red involved, and gift card also available. Invite friends, here is the invite friend option. Download the app and you guys can check every single detail in the app. So after this you can see here is some detail like your UID, the assets, asset list, spot trading. Here is the spot trading and their history, currency, current commissions. So deposit, how you can get how you can deposit. So click on deposit option and then please select your currency, cryptocurrency, like every so for example you can select USDT and select your network TRC20, BEP20, any BSC, so TRC20, and then deposit the amount from this address. Go to your wallet and copy the address and go to your wallet and send your money on this account, this address, and you guys can get your amount here. So here is the deposit option, and after withdrawal, so you can select your currency and then select network and spent network. Also please enter your wallet address, enter your withdrawal amount, remarkable comments, and then confirm withdrawal. So you can confirm your withdrawal in your wallet. So here is their withdrawal option. Asset transfer, if you want to transfer your assets in any other like token from USDT to BTC or anything, so you can transfer from here. So after this, here is the AI strategy. So you can see how to transfer your asset. As I already told you, here is the fund transfer, just from a wallet amount to contact account. So just exchange your token and then transfer your amount from here. So after this, here is the order records, here is strategy, financial management, assets flows, and then personal centers. Also you can get your AI UID, also asset list, order record, a strategy, assets flow, financial management, personal center is available. So guys, here is our video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and watch till end.